This is the lateral ventricle. Hey, ekটু আস্তে রে. This is the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle, and this one is the central part. ঠিক আছে? The corpus callosum has been removed along with the septum pellucidum, so the lateral ventricle can be exposed. Now this is thalamus. Okay, and lateral to thalamus, this is caudate nucleus. So this is the body, anterior part is the head. So this end is the head of the caudate nucleus. Then we get the body. Then we get the tail. As you can see, this part is the tail, which terminates into a rounded elevation known as amygdaloid body. And the groove between thalamus and caudate nucleus, so this is known as sulcus terminalis. Okay. Thalamus, in thalamus and the body of caudate nucleus, this is known as sulcus terminalis. It contains thalamostriate vein and the stria terminalis. So anterior horn, this one. Okay. So at the floor of the anterior horn, so we are getting this head of caudate nucleus. So you can see all from this picture also. This is a coronal section of frontal lobe. So this triangular aperture is the anterior horn. Okay, which has got one floor. So that is formed by the head of the caudate nucleus. Okay. Medial wall by septum pellucidum. Anterior surface by the posterior wall of the genu. So this part is the genu, forceps minor, বুঝতেই পারছিস. So posterior surface of the genu is forming the anterior wall of this anterior horn. And the floor is formed by this head of caudate nucleus. Okay, so this horn is the anterior horn. Now the central part, it has got one extension. It extends from the level of interventricular foramen, এই জায়গাটায় থাকে, interventricular foramen of Monro, up to the splenium. So that is the extension of the central part. The roof of which is formed by this undersurface of the body of the corpus callosum. And this part will be covered by ependyma, which is the epithelium of the ventricle. ঠিক আছে, যেটাকে আমরা বলি ependyma. Floor of the central part from lateral to medial side. So this is the body of caudate nucleus, most laterally. Then we get this groove. Then we get the upper surface of thalamus, and if fornix is present here, so we get the upper surface of the body of the fornix also. Okay, so they are forming the floor of the central part. Medial wall again by septum pellucidum. So in this section, this is a horizontal section. As you can see, this is the anterior horn, and this one is the central part. This is septum pellucidum. This one is the fornix. This is thalamus. So interthalamic space is third ventricle, and these are the choroid plexus within the third ventricle. And what is this horn? Posterior horn. So posterior horn has got one lateral wall and the roof. So lateral wall and the roof become continuous with each other. Floor and the medial wall become continuous with each other. So in the lateral wall we get the optic radiation. ঠিক আছে, এই যে white fibers. So this is optic radiation passing through this retrolentiform part of internal capsule. Internal capsule কোনটা এখানে? সুন্দর আছে. Caudate nucleus, thalamus. This is lentiform nucleus. এখানে external capsuleটাও খুব সুন্দর আছে. ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে, তাহলে this is optic radiation separated from the lateral wall by tapetum. তাহলে এই ফাইবারটা হচ্ছে tapetum. তাহলে মোস্ট ল্যাটারালি হচ্ছে অপটিক রেডিয়েশন, আর মিডিয়ালি কি রয়েছে? ট্যাপেটাম. নাও কাম টু দিস ফ্লোর অ্যান্ড দ্য মিডিয়াল ওয়াল. সো দিস ইজ দ্য স্প্লেনিয়াল ফাইবার্স নোন অ্যাজ ফরসেপস মেজর. এটা ছিল ফরসেপস মাইনর. দিস ইজ ফরসেপস মেজর, and that will form an elevation in the medial wall. So this upper elevation is known as bulb of posterior horn. ঠিক আছে, এটাকে আমরা বলছি বাল্ব. আর লোয়ার একটা এলিভেশন আছে থাকে এখানে, দিস ইজ নোন অ্যাজ ক্যালকার অ্যাভিস, which is formed by the anterior part of the calcarine sulcus. ক্যালকারাইন সালকাসটা এরকম জায়গায় ছিল, তাই তো? অক্সিপিটাল লোব ছিল, তো অক্সিপিটাল লোবটা খানিকটা উঠে গেছে, এই জায়গাটায় থাকার কথা। তাহলে এইখানটাই হচ্ছে ক্যালকার অ্যাভিস, অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ দ্য বাল্ব অফ posterior horn. Choroid plexus you can see within the posterior horn. and this choroid plexus will enter into the inferior horn, and the communicating area is known as collateral trigone, through which the posterior horn communicates below and in front with inferior horn. So this triangular area is known as collateral trigone. জায়গাটা কি ছিল? ইনফিরিয়ার হর্ন, তাই তো? দিস ইজ দ্য টেম্পোরাল লোব। সো রুফটা এখানে ভালো বোঝা যাচ্ছে। সো দ্যাট ইজ দ্য টেল অফ কডেট নিউক্লিয়াস। This is the amygdaloid body, and from amygdaloid body there is origin of a fiber which will go like this. So this is known as stria terminalis. So the tail is going like this. Stria terminalis is going like this in opposite direction. Okay, tail is going downwards and forwards. Stria is going upwards and backwards. ঠিক আছে?